So now we have assignments set up, we have the grade book set up in both areas. Now it comes to actually grading. First way I go through grading is I come over here and I go to materials. And once I get into materials, I can click on the right-hand side into the grades. And I can get into the first one, and now I can just go through and grading. I grade everything in screenshots, or most everything in screenshots, so that it comes up nice and easy for a picture for me. If I want to, I can go like this, and I can see the whole screenshot. Type in the grade. If I like this, if I want to put something in here, nice work. This, and I hit show to student. I can't change this default. I have to click show to student. But this will go back into the gradebook comments. And I hit submit. Go to the next one. Doing the same process. Once you type a few grades in there, the cool thing is I just hit the button, hit submit, and I'm working my way along here. And that's grading through an actual assignment. So this is the way I grade the first time through an assignment. And it goes pretty quick.